Well done! You made it through week 1. Everyone say, wow! Now that Sean has taken charge of Excel, his manager has given him some calculations to do. Sean is a bit daunted by the idea. Fortunately, Excel is very powerful and can easily help him with his task. Sean just needs to understand how Excel thinks so that Sean can continue to be in charge and tell Excel what to do. While using Excel as a storage space for data is great, you really unlock Excel once you start using formulas and functions. Formulas can help you with a range of tasks, from adding up monthly sales figures to calculating your business's tax liabilities. Once you master these, you can use Excel to calculate loan repayments, depreciation tables, and calculating employee bonuses and commissions. The best part is that it's not just for your own workplace. Once you see how formulas and functions work, you will even want to start using Excel for your own daily life, from preparing a budget, your expenses for your weekend away, or even your expenses for that round-the-world holiday. This week we will begin with formulas and consider the order of operators and learn to speak like Excel speaks. Then we will learn about functions, which are powerful Excel mini programs that you can access by typing just a few letters. And finally, you will discover a really cool feature of the fill handle when you learn about relative and absolute cell referencing. Just like last week, there are a series of practice videos. Remember to download the Excel workbooks before you start watching these videos. Make sure you follow along and practice, practice, practice. Step by step, you will take charge of formulas and functions in Excel. To make sure you get through this week successfully, let's have a chat with Nikki to help us get our head around formulas and functions before we dive into the mechanics with the practice videos. Formulas are such a critical part of Excel, so make sure you give yourself plenty of time to really understand how they work.